Well, transport along the Kisii-Migori highway was paralyzed for hours this morning after residents of Nyabigege area went to the streets to protest insecurity in the area. This follows a Thursday night incident where suspected thugs killed 2 guards in the area. They are accusing police officers in the area of complicity and laxity in carrying out investigations that will lead to the arrest of the suspects. The residents called on the Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i to intervene to hasten the investigations. They suspect that the 2 guards were killed by police officers. Bodies of the 2 who are yet to be buried were found riddled with bullet wounds. During the incident, an administration police jacket and a regular police beret were recovered at the scene of the crime. Led by the area former member of County Assembly Duke Waro, the residents said they would not bury the bodies until the culprits are arrested and prosecuted.
Uchungu wetu ni huu. Serikali yetu haijachukua jukumu lolote kuja kutuambia waliofanya ni wakina nani. Ile gari number plate ziko tulipeana ambao wangeenda kwa KRA wajue mwenye gari alikuwa ni nani.
We are demanding in fact immediately is ni transfer ya wale askari kutoka hapo kituo cha Nyachenge waleta askari wengine, because from the way they behaved ni kama tunafikiria walishirikiana na hao watu.
Confirm kwamba kuna uniform ilipatikana hapa karibu na site, na uniform yenyewe saa hizi iko na watu wa CID wanaendelea na uchunguzi kujua kwamba hiyo uniform ilitoka wapi na ilikuwa na nani.